Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 1. List any four symmetrical objects from your home or school. We have to find four symmetrical objects, right? For example, we have to write four symmetrical objects, right? Four symmetrical objects from your school or home, right? Here we are writing four symmetrical objects. Suppose number one is we can write as symmetrical objects like lock is a symmetrical object. Lock is a symmetrical object. We can write lock, L-O-C-K, right? Lock, or you can write number two as number two symmetrical objects as glass. Number two is glass, and number three maybe number three is chair. Chair, and number four is table. These are all symmetrical objects. Table. These are all symmetrical objects, right? Now, question number two. For the figure given below, which one is a mirror line, L1 or L2? Now, here you see that L2 is a mirror line because it is symmetrical to this vertical line, right? Therefore, we can say which for the figure given figure which one is a mirror line, L1 or L2. Therefore, we can say that L2 is the mirror line, L2, because L2 divides the figure into two equal parts, into two equal halves. Identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw a line of symmetry as well. Here in question A, here you see, if we draw a line of symmetry like this, then it is a line of, then it is symmetrical, right? Number A is symmetrical. Symmetric. Now question number B, if we draw a vertical line like this, it is also symmetric, right? If we draw a vertical line, that means it is also symmetric. It is also symmetric. In case of C, it is not symmetric, right? We cannot draw a line which divides the figure into two equal halves. Therefore, it is not symmetric. Not symmetric. Now, question number D. If we draw a line like this vertical line, then it divides it into two equal halves. Therefore, question D is symmetric. It is symmetric. It is symmetric. Now, question E. Question E is symmetric, but the symmetric line of symmetry is horizontal, like this. It is also symmetric. right? Now question number F. If we draw a line like this, vertical line, then it divides this line into two equal halves, right? Then it is also symmetric. It is also symmetric, right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, what is question number 4 is, see? Question number 4 is, now question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is, now question number 4. Copy the following on a squared paper, right? A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such that the dotted line is the line of symmetry. Dotted line is the line of symmetry. We can also, here we are trying to draw the line of symmetry, right? Let us draw the line of symmetry. This one. That means you have to draw a line of symmetry like this. That means this length will be same as that. If we draw a line here, right? And this line, right? This is the line of symmetry, and these are two equal halves. The same way you can draw this one also. This one is, this is the dotted line, therefore it will be like this, right? This is the equal halves, right? Here you see, this is the line of symmetry. You can draw any line, any figure in this line of symmetry, right? First of all, we are drawing question number D. Question number D is like this, like a triangle. That means line of symmetry is this one. Line of symmetry will be this one. That means this divides the two uh, triangles into two equal halves, right? Now this is the line of symmetry, right? Then that means you have to draw like this. This line should be equal to this line, like this, right? And this line should be equal to this line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. All the lines should be equal, right? I am to draw nearly same line, but roughly I am drawing this one and this one, right? And this is the line of symmetry, and this line of symmetry divides the figure into two equal halves, right? This one you can also see that the line of symmetry will be like this. This is the line of symmetry. This one is a line of symmetry. Therefore, you can draw like this. You have to draw a line of symmetry like this. That is, we have to draw in this way, like this. It will be same as the figure. Same as that, this one and this one like this, and then now we shall find the line symmetry in this figure. Let us find. You find the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. You have to find this figure. That is, you have to draw a nearly same figure that is equal to half of this, right? That you can write in this way. That nearly half. In this way, you can draw the nearly two equal parts, right? Here also you can find two equal parts like this, right? Into two equal parts. Nearly equal. That is this one. This also divides this into two equal parts. In this way, you can find the various line of symmetry, right? And the dotted line is the line of symmetry, right? Now, next question is, here you see, the next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is, what is question number 5? Question number 5 is, you see, in figure, now in question number 5, in the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric, right? You have to complete this diagram. That means you have to say, draw same as like this. This distance will be fixed. Therefore, you will draw a line. Roughly, you are drawing this one. That this one is fixed line. The same distance, and draw a line from here, right? And give an arrow. This is symmetric to the upper side, right? And this is the line of symmetry, right? In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. Now you see this figure is symmetric, right? Now, question number 6. What is question number 6? You see, question number 6 is, question number 6. Question number 6 is, in the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. L is the line of symmetry. Draw the diagram, right? You have to draw a diagram such that L is a line of symmetry, line of symmetry. Therefore, we can draw like this. We can draw line of symmetry like this. We can draw a figure like this here, such that the two halves may be equal to each other. Right? Here you see that the two triangles are nearly same. The bit is the and it is the line of symmetry. Right? Line of symmetry, and this line of symmetry divides the figure into two equal halves. Right? Now, this is the solution of question number 13.1. This is the solution of question number 13.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.